Imagine a world where every piece of waste is a stepping stone towards a greener, more prosperous future. In Gambia, this vision is becoming a reality thanks to a rising tide of innovative business leaders. At the forefront of this movement are startups that transform waste into incredible value, driving both economic growth and environmental stewardship. The journey begins at the Gambian landfills, where the sheer scale of waste presents both a challenge and an opportunity. Traditionally, Gambia has followed a linear consumption model, which has significant negative impacts on its environment and economy. But today, we are witnessing a groundbreaking shift towards a circular economy, a concept that moves beyond mere recycling. This circular pathway highlights the amazing work of the Gambian Integrated Modular Refinery, the Halal Abattoir, fruit and vegetable dehydration initiatives, and agro-waste valorization projects. These ventures are shining examples of how business can be leveraged for sustainable impact. Fortis Invicta is at the heart of this revolution, leading with advanced technology options like anaerobic digesters, black soldier fly technologies. Each innovation demonstrates that with ingenuity and commitment, we can redefine economic paradigms and pave the way for a sustainable future in Gambia. Visit www.fortisinvicta.com to learn more.